Nice, 7%. 7%! I forgot to charge my GoPro! Ah!
One hour later.
You win some, you lose some. The waves were too strong. Sometimes it's not meant to be, but this is just reality.
My surfing midlife crisis right now.
Scheißegal,
It's
Alter.
just shit.
You know what day it is.
Pizza day.
Oh! He said it. So we are almost in the south and we want to make a hike to the highest point. I kind of already did it last year when I was here. Unfortunately, we did the wrong hike and ended up 10 meters below the highest point of Fuerteventura. So that's why we do it today again. Happily, it's like the same bad weather like last year. It's again very cloudy, it even rains, and before we had a bit of hail. Hope it's getting better.
Quiet now, into the tremor of a hope that's growing deep.
We just arrived at the parking and we are starting now our hike to the highest point, which lies in these clouds.
With a full heart and opening eyes, I see the headlights turn into sunrise. We'll build on real long to greet the new.
The hike was very nice and now we are on our way to Mercadona to get some snacks and dinner. Tomorrow, exactly, snacks for tomorrow's ferry ride, because tomorrow we go back to Gran Canaria.
And opening eyes, I see the headlights turn into sunrise.
We are at the beach. We heard yesterday it was very good to surf here, which makes me more sad because I had yesterday a super shit session. And look at it today, nothing, it's flat. Why? I think we have to take a shower after this hike we did, so yeah.
Brand new world.
So we're on the boat. Outside it's a little bit windy, but you can enjoy a nice sunrise. There. Whoa. Woo-hoo. Very nice. We made it back to Gran Canaria, finally. And already on the way to Tejeda to get ourselves some very nice palmeras. For everyone who doesn't know what a palmera is, this is a palmera. It's like made out of what is flattenside? I just googled the word there. It's out of puff pastry. It's out of puff pastry. It's very tasty, and here in Spain it's quite popular. There is a bakery, they have like different palmeras with chocolate, with cream, with almond pieces, coconuts, streusel, with everything. And also Tejeda is a very nice village or city. And yeah, we're on our way there as long as Nikis van will bring us up there. But Nikis positive, eh? Yeah. Nikis van just made a noise that didn't sound too good. Let's hope it's nothing bad.
Ich fülle jetzt mal ein bisschen Öl rein. Und dann gucken wir mal.
What do you think?
Ich weiß nicht, Alter. Ich weiß nicht, ob es mir das Palmera wert ist.
We decided it's not worth it for a good Palmera to destroy this beautiful van. We go to Arucas and look what we find there. This is the Jardín de la Marquesa. After a nice walk through Arucas, we ended up in a churreria. So let's go for some churros. Sad story. They make the churros only from 4 o'clock on. Now we found an open bakery. Let's decide. This is our snack for lunch.
Healthy lifestyle. I got so viel Müll für nichts, Mann.
That's actually true, yeah. Yes. Oh ja.
Das ist so weich und creamy. Genau jetzt ausstellen. Muss sein.
The sound still comes all the time again. So now we are driving very, very slow. Around 50 on the highway. I hope nothing will happen. Fingers crossed. We made it back to the parking with a lot of stops. Yeah, we cannot go further like this, so we will try to fix it. Problem is, we will go back in 2 days on a Sunday. It's now Friday at 5 o'clock, so everything is closed. We don't really can do something right now, so maybe we have to wait until we're in the mainland Spain and go there to the mechanic. But yeah, this sucks. It's so shitty. Everyone who has a van and knows that feeling, oh, stupid. It is time to leave the Canaries. I've been here now again since November 14th, so quite a while. And yeah, I love spend winter here. It's warm, there's good surf, and you meet a lot of amazing people. But now I have to go through the port to the ship, and then 43 hours in the ship until I am in Huelva. We're about to arrive in Tenerife.
How about a little update for your fans, Timo?
Which fans?
My bad.
Let's get some dinner on the ferry with 4 hours delay. With 4 hours delay. Tired, and we still have 37 hours to go. As soon as it will depart.
Yeah.
First, tortilla. Good morning.
Was ist denn los?
Well, the transit was 43 long hours that we made it. It was quite wild. There were quite some waves and it was a little bit shaky, but it was nice to fall asleep. Now we're here, sunrise in Huelva, continuing our adventure. So yeah, next time you see this.
It's all feeling good. The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The time is on the side. Let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling.
video, then subscribe to my channel, hit the notify button below, and I see you next time. Bye guys! Oh, ew. Alter, genau in Schiss reingefasst. Nein, Alter.